Good morning, students.
Good morning.
Today we'll learn about prepositions. Okay? Write the prepositions. Do you know what is preposition?
Yes, ma'am.
Preposition is a word which connects noun and pronoun and some other words in the sentence. Okay? It is one of the parts of speech. For example, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb. Okay? Preposition, conjunction. So preposition is one of the parts of speech. So we will learn about preposition now in a different way. Okay? I'll call two students and one student will read the sentences and the other student will draw the picture according to the sentences and we will understand what are the prepositions, how the prepositions are used. Okay? Yes. So for this I will call Khushi and Anya. Khushi, come here to draw. And Anya, I am giving the paper where the sentences are written and you will read one by one. Let her draw it. Yes. You stand there and facing that side. Yes. And now Khushi will draw it. Okay. Read the first sentence.
There is a tree.
There is a tree. Yes. Draw it bigger. Okay, it's okay. Next sentence.
A bird is on the tree.
A bird is on the tree. Very nice. Next sentence.
The cow is near the tree.
The cow.
Is near the tree.
Cow.
Yes.
Okay. The cow is near the tree. Very nice drawing. Okay, very good. Next sentence.
The tree is behind the hut.
The tree is behind the hut. Same picture you can use. Okay, draw it. The tree is behind a hut. Very nice drawing. Okay, next sentence.
A man is in the hut.
A man is in the hut. Quickly. Good. Next sentence.
A boy is sitting under the tree.
A boy is sitting under the tree. Okay. Very nice. Next sentence.
The lady is standing at the door.
The lady is standing at the door. Go first. Okay, very good. Now children, just look at the picture and see the use of the words preposition here. Okay, Khushi, you may go there. See that she has drawn here. There is a tree. And second sentence, a bird is on the tree. On the tree. Okay, on is the preposition here. And next sentence, a boy is sitting under the tree. Under is the preposition. Next, a cow is behind. And a man is in the house, inside the house. The lady is standing at the door. At the door. At is the preposition. So like this we can learn the use of prepositions with the help of the pictures. Do you understand, children?
Yes.
Use of under, use of behind,